In a world seeking natural ways to enhance well-being, ancient remedies are regaining their spotlight. One such treasure is Barbara O'Neill's Golden Honey Herbal Elixir. This elixir, with its potent blend of natural ingredients, offers a holistic approach to supporting your health. Join us as we delve into the world of this remarkable elixir and discover its potential to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Barbara O'Neill's Golden Honey Herbal Elixir is not just another health trend, it's a testament to the power of nature's pharmacy. Carefully crafted, this elixir combines 5 key ingredients: ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, and raw honey. Each element brings its unique properties to the blend, working synergistically to support your overall well-being. Let's unlock the treasure chest of health benefits of Barbara O'Neill's Golden Honey Herbal Elixir. Each ingredient contributes its unique properties. From the warming embrace of ginger to the golden glow of turmeric, each element plays a crucial role. Ginger, the warming spice for digestion and beyond. Ginger, with its signature zing, is a staple in traditional medicine systems worldwide. This knobby root is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is a digestive aid, easing nausea and promoting healthy digestion. Its warming properties can also help alleviate cold symptoms. Cinnamon and turmeric, a powerful duo for inflammation and more. Cinnamon, the fragrant bark of the cinnamon tree, lends its warmth and sweetness to the elixir. This beloved spice has been cherished for centuries for its delightful flavor and impressive health benefits. Known to help regulate blood sugar levels, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, protecting the body from oxidative stress. Its anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate symptoms of various conditions, promoting a balanced body. Turmeric, the golden spice of India, boasts curcumin, a potent compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin supports joint health, digestion and mood, and may reduce pain associated with inflammation. Studies suggest turmeric supports brain and cardiovascular health. Together, cinnamon and turmeric create a dynamic duo, enhancing flavor and providing robust health benefits. Incorporating this powerful duo into your daily routine can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. Black pepper and honey, enhancing absorption and boosting immunity. Black pepper, though seemingly insignificant, plays a vital role in the elixir. It's more than just a seasoning, it enhances the body's ability to absorb nutrients. Piperine in black pepper boosts curcumin absorption, making turmeric more potent. This combination enhances the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin. Black pepper aids digestion by stimulating hydrochloric acid production necessary for digesting proteins. Raw honey, nature's liquid gold, is packed with nutrients and enzymes that promote well-being. Honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants, fighting free radicals and supporting overall health. Known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, honey boosts immunity and soothes sore throats. Together, black pepper and honey create a synergistic effect, enhancing the body's natural defenses and promoting optimal health. This powerful duo not only enhances nutrient absorption but also provides a natural boost to your immune system, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Embrace the Golden Elixir, practical tips and precautions. Incorporating Barbara O'Neill's Golden Honey Herbal Elixir into your daily routine is simple and can be a delightful experience. You can enjoy a teaspoon or two of the elixir on its own, savoring its rich, natural sweetness. Alternatively, you can add it to warm water, herbal tea, or even a smoothie to enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your beverages. While the elixir is generally safe for consumption and offers numerous health benefits, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider if you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. Additionally, ensure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients listed on the jar to avoid any adverse reactions. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the long-term benefits of natural remedies like this elixir. Make Barbara O'Neill's Golden Honey Herbal Elixir a part of your daily ritual, integrating it seamlessly into your lifestyle. Embrace this golden elixir and embark on a journey toward vibrant health, well-being, and a more balanced life.